Hi, today we're going to talk about the importance of seed nutrition. And why is this a key topic? And it's really due to the fact that most seeds are nutrient imbalanced. Over our years of extensive testing, we've shown that over 90% of our seeds fall into this category. So if a seed falls into this category, what exactly happens because of it? Well, the first thing is the fact is that seedling, after it germinates, has a very low level of vigor. And with this low level of vigor, what it does is it creates extra stress on the plant during a very stressful time, especially when it's cold, or if maybe the seed is planted too deep, or maybe if there's a higher level of soil pathogens in the soil. This all can really impact that young seedling. And also what it does is it's really going to reduce the amount of rooting. And if we have this stress in the plant with this reduction in rooting, it's really going to impact the yield potential of this crop. So why are seeds nutrient imbalanced? Well, there's three key reasons. And the first one has got to do with how did you fertilize the crop in the previous year versus the yield you obtained. If the yield is greater than what you fertilized for, there's a direct correlation on reducing the density of those nutrients in the seed. The second reason why this happens has got to do with your nutritional status of your soil in the previous year's crop. Did you address properly all those nutrients that were deficient? In this example here, we can see in a zinc deficient soil, if you did not address your zinc properly, the harvested crop had a deficiency in the amount of zinc in the seed. The third reason why this happens has got to do with the physiology in the plant. And what we mean by that is the nutrient mobility within the plant, or more importantly, the lack of mobility in the plant. In this image here, you can see there is a number of nutrients that generally show their deficiencies in the youngest part of the plant, which means there's not enough nutrition there. And the youngest part of the plant is the seed heads itself. So this can cause a nutrient imbalance in the harvested grain. So what are the key nutrients we need to look at? Well, they include zinc, phosphorus, manganese, copper, calcium, and boron. Now this sounds very complicated, but what we've done at ATP is we've looked at those nutrients and we've correlated them to the demand of each specific crop. And then we formulated those nutrients together in the right ratios. And to really ensure that we get proper nutrient use efficiency and uptake, we've added two key biostimulants to this nutrient formulation. The end result in doing this is we get good early season vigor. And we really get this cold start technology happening, especially when we plant into cold soils. What this results in is an enhancement in rooting, and from this enhancement in rooting, it means that we can access more water from the soil and more nutrients that are sitting in the soil. And the end result in this is we're going to drive the genetic potential of the crop. Thank you.